Come on. All right. Let's see what today has to bring us.
Nathan. Nathan.
Yep. Love you. Have a good day.
To do that?
Love you. Have a good day.
Help.
Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Just sitting here chilling, watching The Spy. Apple got a sell off this morning. Just sitting here hanging out, waiting to see what happens, which way things want to go. If you got any questions, drop it in the chats. Only running live on YouTube and Rumble today, so see if that makes my viewership better. How's it going out there on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thanks for being here. If you would think about hitting that like button, think about subscribing. I greatly appreciate it. We're just sitting here chilling, watching The Spy, watching Apple, Microsoft, AMC. Kind of running through the gambit, just trying to see which way everything's going to go today. I believe it's going to be red. So just looking for opportunities. If you got anything you want to take a look at, let me know. Got anything you want to talk about, let me know. Be covering the news as the day goes. Hopefully you guys can hear me all right. Come on, mouse. Come on, mouse. Where the hell is it? $367.36, new low of the day for The Spy. Just going to sit here and wait, see if it continues to drop lower. Dow Jones is down 385 points, 1.29%. S&P is down 62 points, 1.68%. NASDAQ is down 253 points, 2.27%.
So the best way to get something done, if you hold near and dear to you that you like to be able to, anyway, we're gonna see the reality. The luxury home, another hill we got engaged. Tools, photocracy. America is a nation that can be defined in a single word.
Go update Twitter quick.
I don't like that on the last physical a year ago, it was said he has an impaired gait, that he has a stiff gait. Well, neurologists know that that can correlate with cognitive problems, with certain issues with the brain. I didn't see an MRI, I didn't see a cognitive test, and if anything, over the year, it's only gotten worse. So I'm calling for it now. I'm not calling him impaired via video clips that are highly suspicious, Stewards. I'm saying let's test him. Let's get some answers. Let's get a real neurology report. Let's get a real cognitive test, and let's see an MRI. We need to know, because what's at stake here is executive function. This is the chief executive of the United States. And executive function involves planning, decision-making, attention to detail, all of the things. It's not just aging, by the way. It's a lot of the medical issues he has in the past, including atrial fibrillation, which is an arrhythmia, and having had some procedures done on his brain. All of this doesn't prove anything, but it's a need-to-know basis.
Indeed, it's a tough subject to talk about, but it's got to be addressed. All right, Doctor, another one for you. The President issued a federal pardon for marijuana possession. Do you support legalizing recreational marijuana?
No, and I'll tell you why. From a purely medical point of view, the word marijuana needs to be changed, because we're talking about THC content here, and it's risen from when I was in high school to 1.5% all the way up to 30 to 50%. The product you're getting now is 20 to 30 times more powerful, and we're seeing it with a huge increase of cannabis-induced psychosis, with vomiting syndrome. Stuart, did you know that almost 10% of the people that come to an emergency room vomiting in states where it's legal are doing it because of marijuana? We're seeing marijuana poisoning, we're seeing psychosis, we're seeing worsening of mental health issues, we're seeing behavioral issues. So just to across the board legalize it will only encourage that. There's no standards here, there's no restrictions and no regulation of the product. Now, I understand
All right, just updated Twitter. See if that brings in more viewers.
before the stocks
Let's see what happens today. How you doing, Mustangs? Yeah, we ended real red yesterday. I expect much the same today. How's everybody doing today? Doing all right, doing all right. Woke up green, that's what matters. Yeah, calculating the bottom's too difficult for me. I can take a guess, but I mean, part of me is liking the 235 put options for October 21. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Low of day on the SPY is 365.96. I think we're going to keep dropping lower than that too. My shorts are doing great. Of course they are. Yeah, of course they are. I'm happy for you, buddy. Need to recoup some of your money after that hurricane. AMC is just getting kicked to shit.
Exploding electric vehicles and a water doctrine. Take me through this one.
So Florida actually has more EVs than any other state aside from California. So some of these 95,000 vehicles we're looking at, one of them, completely submerged in salt water, right? Their batteries been
Banana Bread, how you doing this morning?
so they're just floating in the water. That's sparking a fire. Florida's fire marshal says this is a new challenge. It's not going out like a gas engine would. So they're often letting the EVs just melt to the ground.
You know, that's not good publicity for Tesla or for any electric vehicle, is it?
Not at all.
That's not good at all.
We knew that they could catch fire. Who knew if they couldn't get them out?
We know some time ago that you can't put the fire out. It's very difficult to.
Oh, yeah.
Now, I think that's a real problem. Better check that market, please. We go further south, now we're down. What is it, 435 points?
Oh yeah, when the reversal, when this thing starts running up,
The guy to go rate high. That does it. Dow Industrials
see if the SPY keeps making new lows here.
down 280. What's the seller?
Pretty low right now, so we'll see what happens. Damn music. The Dow Jones is currently down 457 points, 1.53% in the red. S&P is down 74 points, 2% in the red. Nasdaq is down 293 points, 2.65% in the red. Another new low for the SPY. If the Dow Jones goes all the way back down to 23,000, man, I feel bad for everybody with a 401k. It's definitely possible, though. I mean, shit. If you're watching on Rumble, thanks for being here. I appreciate you guys. Please hit that like button for me. Think about subscribing. It's part of the plan. I mean, it very well could be. Very well could be. If any of you guys want me to take a look at something, or if you have something on your watch list, we can pull it up on the charts. Just let me know in the chats. Only running live on Rumble and on YouTube today, so trying to get my viewership up. Maybe if I don't spread through so many social medias, it'll help. Currently just sitting here watching The Spy, Microsoft, Apple, AMC, Mulan. Mulan just getting its shit kicked out of her. Thanks, Banana Bread. I appreciate that. The Fed need to get the shit together. Yeah, they definitely do need to get their act together. Damn it. Dow's now down 460 points. Keeps running north or south, I mean. 10-year yield on the Treasury is up. I don't remember what it said, but it's pushing higher. You know what I think the Fed needs to do? The Fed needs to come out and raise the rates 2%. Just flat out 2%. And let it sit there for 2 months. Don't touch it, don't do nothing. Just let it sit there and be done with it. Because here's the problem that I see happening, is we're going to go from these 75 basis points all the time. And just like gas prices, it's going to take a while for it to catch up. So we're going to keep adding on. And then we're going to catch up to it, but then we're still going to push that out further, if that makes sense. So what needs to happen is we just need to raise the points. Hold on a second, guys. My nephew just came up and told me that he got an internship paying quite well as a engineer, land surveyor. Very proud of him. We must celebrate that, Ethan.
Yeah, that's nice.
You're absolutely right. Absolutely right there. $364.91 for a low of day on the SPY. Very happy for you. Your mom's going to be happy as hell to hear that. Do you have your aunt's number too?
Yeah, I do. I'll
Have I been trying to post on TikTok? Not yet. I've been I've been thinking maybe I got to do some dances or some shit. I don't know. Been doing a lot of YouTube shorts, a couple of those every day. One of them has like 400 and something odd views or something like that. Not bad, not bad. The rest of them, I don't know why, have like 1s and 2s, and I don't understand it. No, TikTok is something I'm going to start this weekend, and see if I can't start getting followers from there. Subscribers. I hate saying the word followers. It's just what you see everywhere. Subscribers. Go back and check here. Oh, we're off and running today. Or off and falling, I guess I should say. Ouch. I am leaving town today. I don't know how long I'll be able to stream. Don't know what time we're leaving yet, so. If you guys are joining me on Rumble, I really do appreciate you being here. If you could think about liking and subscribing, that'd be very helpful for me. Also running live on YouTube. So, if you'd like to go check me out over there as well, that's fine too. If you have anything you guys want to take a look at, let me know. I've got 2 people in my chat right now, 3 people in my live on YouTube that are going to have to hear me repeat everything all day. So, Dow Jones is down 502 points.
I've got a feeling that Tesla's going to be down today. Show me that it is. Yes, it is down back to 230 now.
Yeah, a lot of news, obviously, for Tesla. We're seeing the EV fires in Florida because the batteries were in water. The Twitter
Yeah, I started doing some of those,
for Tesla too.
and
Completely overlooked. Elon Musk said that long
I just stopped because if you go look, I gotta get back into it. You are correct, but they're cringy videos, man. Like, they're cringy. They're important videos. What I say in them is accurate, but they're cringy.
in the US, core users for the subscribers, the blue subscribers, those are the people who pay $4.99 a month. It's a little icon. Looks like a pencil. Can you see where is it over there? It just, you can edit what you wrote. You have a half an hour to edit, but you can't. The original still lives.
So suppose you've sent it.
You said that, yeah.
Yes, you sent the tweet.
The history is still if you sent a tweet you didn't mean to send and you edited it,
Yeah.
I could still see that history.
Oh, I think that is now. Is it a get out of trouble icon?
I think just to fix the public record. Sometimes it's just for a typo. Obviously, sometimes for much bigger reasons.
You know what? I'm going to move on.
I think it's a non-event.
I want to move on to safer ground.
Yep, that's my plan. I gotta. It won't all be the same because some of them are exact, daily exact stuff, but a lot of them will be.
Listen to this.
I'm gonna transfer them over tonight
You know this well that Hillary
and this weekend.
just as a woman in politics, all these impossible standards, she needs to be taller, shorter, talk this way, this is annoying, she looks angry when she speaks. And it was almost like you couldn't win.
Anybody think that we're gonna break under the low of day on the SPY? Because I certainly do.
You think of a man.
There's no one better to address this subject than a lady who is with us now, and her name is Tammy Bruce.
All right, we'll see you later, brother. Have a good one.
Back to 50 years ago.
And has she never heard of herself and her problems with her husband? And Hillary Clinton.
Good morning to you guys on Rumble. Says I have 2 viewers there. If that's the case, if you guys could hit that like button, think about subscribing, I'd greatly appreciate it.
Herself to someone who was a predator and who was a mess and who contributed problems to campaigns. Margaret Thatcher had
Just sitting here chilling.
herself to where she did not need to do that. Hillary Clinton never.
What do you guys think we're gonna end today? You think we're gonna
And then she expected to be elevated.
drop below $364.77 on the SPY?
This is just
Or do you think we're gonna keep going up from here?
impossible challenge.
Won't die from cringiness. No, I won't die from it.
You sounded mad. It's called leadership. Have the confidence to overcome that and to, frankly, most of the time, to not care.
I just gotta get more comfortable in doing. It's so much easier to do live streams. It doesn't feel so forced.
Wants to accomplish. You sit here every single 5 days a week saying all kinds of things to millions of people around the country and around the world. And you're confident because you know your business. That goes with politics, with entertainment, with business, with the stock market, with whatever it is I do for a living, with writing. You have to sit down and trust yourself.
Dow Jones and the rest are starting to move to the north just a little bit, bringing down their numbers. So Dow Jones is sitting at 485, still at 1.1 or 1.61%. S&P is sitting at 2.05%. Nasdaq is sitting at 2.65% in the red.
That was great. Tell me.
Well, and it's all true.
Yeah, okay, yes, but we're not done with Hillary yet.
Where the hell did I set my coffee cup?
Yes, ma'am.
The actor.
Hopefully I didn't leave it outside.
He's going after Hillary. One is he
Got a small layer of frost on all my vehicles this morning, so that's fun. Definitely getting colder out. I was gonna ride my motorcycle today, but the high changed from 55 down to 49, so I don't think that's gonna be happening. I'm butt off the whole time.
That's what my 4-year-old son does. Whenever you don't do anything that he wants or disagree with him, he goes, "Mommy, I hate you. You're stupid and dumb and ugly." He just dismisses me because I didn't agree with him.
You're telling millions of people about your child?
He wants it. Yeah, he's 4, and I feel like that's often what the other side does.
How's everybody doing on Rumble? You guys should drop something in the chat. Just let me know you're here. I'd greatly appreciate it. Just chilling with the people over on YouTube. They're talking in the chat box, so got to pay attention to all of y'all.
No wonder our ratings are so strong. But when you take people like this, no wonder we're strong, right? I'll move on. A real good one coming up.
Let's see here.
Heading back to Texas this weekend. She won't be visiting the southern border. She'll be headlining a ritzy Democrat fundraiser instead. Believe me, we're all over it.
Notifications.
The thousands charged with marijuana possession. The pot stop did well on that. We've got the details coming up.
All right, give me a few minutes here, guys. I'm gonna go have a cigarette. Find my damn coffee cup.
White Lives Matter shirt. Here's a big clip.
The answer to why I wrote White Lives Matter on the shirt is because they do. It's the obvious thing.
I'll be right back. There we go. I found my coffee cup. Now I'm happy.
Ye has been Adidas publicly and even accused their management of copying his ideas. So Adidas says, look, successful partnerships are rooted in mutual respect. So they're reviewing their relationships since 2016. And
I think we're going under low of day at 364.77 on the SPY.
they're writing, they cost hundreds of dollars, $300 plus, and they sell out in minutes. And Adidas is willing to say, you know what?
If you guys on Rumble could hit that like button for me, think about subscribing. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you guys have anything you want to take a look at, drop it in the chat. Just say hello. That would all be okay with me.
Media, like the majority of the media has a godless agenda, and
Just sitting here chilling with Mr. Banana Bread over on YouTube.
it's crazy and all these
Banana Bread.
because the media has, you know, they've also watched travesties happen, just even specifically to me, and just watch it and act like it wasn't happening, and they stay quiet about it.
He also said he was bullied by Hollywood because he liked Trump. He says it's so frustrating for him because he's silenced all the time. In his time, what's the point of having a voice if you're not going to let you use it? So he's frustrated, and he's frustrated with the media.
Can we see the rest of that image?
Part two,
AMC is just struggling today because everything else is.
ultrasound on the lanyard around his neck. Pro-life views.
Okay, interesting. Okay.
Mulan has completely broken my heart.
Madoff gave better returns to his investors than BLM, Black Lives Matter, did to black Americans. So why are we angrier at Kanye for calling out their scam? The author of Black Victim to Black Victor, Adam Coleman, wrote that, and he joins me.
Says I have 4 people watching over here on Rumble.
Hollywood specific.
Thank you guys for showing up. If there's anything you'd like to talk about, drop it in the chat. Let me know.
That's not allowed within our country, unfortunately. We have a free nation where I don't agree with. You know, they accuse him and someone like myself as black and wrong because we're supposed to behave in a particular manner.
Dow Jones is down 440 points.
He's a pro-life Christian.
We were down 550 or so.
You're not supposed to brandish publicly, especially someone with such prominence
Oh, nothing going on Twitter that I've seen yet, man.
of the local Hollywood elite. And because he doesn't do that, and because he shows some
Actually there is now. Jim Cramer. So if you guys haven't heard, there's a there may be an ETF called the Inverse Kramer. So he's really pissed off about that. Basically, it's a whole bunch of stocks that he's betting either against or betting on. So there will be 2 tickers for it. I don't remember what they are. I'll have to do some digging again. There'll be 2 tickers. So if he's going hard on something, there'll be 1 ticker to short it. And if he's going short on something, there'll be another ticket or ticker to destroy that. Because people are fed up with this shit. What I'm fed up with is people like Jim Cramer having their own TV shows and having the reach of millions and millions and millions of people. But the SEC is okay with that. They don't say anything about coercion or, you know, working together to do this, do that. It's okay for him. But it's not okay for some random guy on Twitter or YouTube or Reddit to say, hey, buy this. I don't, that doesn't make sense to me at all. Glad you told me to check that. I probably would have missed it.
Like if I said that I like Trump, that my career would be over, that my life would be over. They said somebody
A little tired this morning. Got 5 people watching on Rumble now. Thank you guys for being here. If you guys would hit that like, think about subscribing, I'd greatly appreciate it. Kind of feel bad for the rest of the people that have to hear me repeat myself all day, but I still appreciate you guys being here. Very happy, very thankful.
And Kanye West has every right as any other person, any other white person, any person, to vote for whoever they want,
SPY's moving up. Dow Jones is down to 404 points in the red, 1.35%. S&P is at 66 points in the red, 1.76%. And NASDAQ is at 263 points, 2.38% in the red for the day right now. So a slight recovery. I don't think we'll break over VWAP on either of them, but you know, I've been wrong before once or twice.
They're trying to keep him in line, but they're trying to keep other black elite in line. And sometimes the black elite try to keep, people like Kanye.
That's on a ticker.
So much of life for Kanye, no matter
There we
how
go.
much money he has, will always be dictated by others, or at least attempted to be dictated. And that's why they really don't like him. It's because he doesn't listen to them.
I think the story is breaking wide open, and we thank you very much for taking part in it today.
Just sitting here chilling.
See you again, sir. Thank you much.
Thank you.
President Biden, pardon people.
Guys, also let me say, don't ever follow a content creator blindly.
Stocks through the roof. That was yesterday.
Like, don't just take out trades that they take out. That's not a good idea.
Eyes on the pardon, please.
Yeah. Well, President Biden pardoning those thousands of individuals convicted of possessing marijuana simply because he says the current system makes no sense. Take a listen.
Should be in jail just for using or possessing marijuana. I'm announcing a pardon for all prior federal offenses for the civil possession of marijuana. Too many lives have been upended because of our failed approach to marijuana.
Jim Cramer's kind of changed his tune. He just put out another tweet that says 3 hours ago. As always, I welcome people betting against me. I have done this for 42 years. Those who know me know that you would have been betting against Apple at $5, Google since inception, Meta at 18, Amazon at 10, Nvidia at 25, and AMD at 5. So he thinks he thinks that this is just a challenge to him. No, it's more of a challenge to the whole institution. It's more of a challenge to literally everything that these people think they know. It's more of a challenge to the the market makers. It's not just about him. That's where he's got the picture wrong. So if those ETFs come out, though, man, I'm definitely going to be putting some money in there.
Migrants being lost to Democrat states. Rolling.
We have a shortage of workers in our country, and you see even in Florida, some of the farmers and the growers saying, why are you shipping these immigrants
Apple low of day is $141.26.
down here?
Newsweek editor Batya Ogasawara says Pelosi's comment shows how Democrats have betrayed the working class.
Microsoft low of day is $236.09. So I wouldn't be surprised if we break those lows on Applesoft, yeah, Microsoft and Apple, and then the SPY. I'm over here on mute talking. Damn it. So, national or gas has jumped pretty much overnight, 4 cents, jumped up 4 cents overnight. The OPEC is supposed to cut 2 million barrels a day. Okay, that's a lot of damn oil, but it's not supposed to take place until November. That's when the cuts are supposed to come. The reason why you're seeing the gas prices go up now is because yesterday or 2 days ago when this was announced, everybody started buying up gas stocks because they knew the price was going to go up. So it's driving the oil price up before the cut actually happens, and then when the cut actually happens, it's going to go up even more. So you have to prepare yourself, especially with it happening in November. We got Thanksgiving, we got Christmas, everybody's doing the traveling thing, everybody's doing the holiday thing. Not only that, but if you keep in mind the inflation and the price of everything, so you're going to add on gas to all of your Christmas list. You know, it's absolutely ridiculous what the hell is going to happen this holiday season. And I don't expect much from Amazon and stuff like that. I believe that Q1, when Amazon reports, they're going to be their numbers are going to be lower than shit. That's what I think. Just my ideas. I was muted, yeah. And music was playing, so I muted myself, and then I started talking after the music, and forgot to unmute myself. It happens. It happens. Not my first mistake. I just got a text. Hold on, guys.
How far down are we now? I'll tell you. We're down 430 points for the Dow, 283 for the Nasdaq.
Dow is moving back to the south, 430 points down in the red. So we'll see what happens.
CBS, which is down a whopping 7% long.
There's a report that CVS is in talks to acquire Canute Health. Canute shares are up solidly. This would be CVS's way to get into primary care. It's just a report right now that Canute still sucks.
Dexcom, I forgot what they do, but they're involved.
They test glucose.
Starting to see the SPY move lower.
Important on a day when the market is selling off.
We did break the previous low of day to 235.91 on Microsoft.
Have we got anything on Netflix this morning? Because I know it's down.
Apple new low of day is now $141.07. So I believe that the SPY will be coming down pretty shortly here.
And there's always been contention between Netflix and the theaters how long a movie should be out in the theater before it gets streaming. So now they've agreed on 1 week. It's kind of like a win-win for both sides.
All right, that's the movers on the market this morning. Dow's down 436. Let's go to the jobs report.
Let's see.
263,000 added in September. Edward Lawrence with me now. Great, dig into this for me, please. What else have you got other than the 263,000 jobs?
Okay.
It was a very strong jobs report, but it's something that the Federal Reserve is going to look at and say they can give them
Just checking Twitter again quick.
that aggressive rate hike the first week of November. Now, the unemployment rate tied the record low 3.5% because people dropped out of the workforce in this. Now, leading the way in jobs, when you look at where those jobs are, leisure and hospitality added back 83,000 jobs in September. That sector is still down 1.1 million jobs from February of 2020 levels, or down almost 7%. Manufacturing added 22,000 jobs. You see healthcare there, you see construction. On jobs, the president says
Jesus. You know, Jim Cramer, okay, so he just put out a tweet an hour ago now. He said the labor number is red hot. Nothing yet from rate increases. Plenty of reason to keep rising.
It's a reality.
so. Let's fact check that.
And then everything jumped off a fucking cliff.
All the jobs lost in the pandemic and has only created
Yeah, man, I keep getting hit with copyright crap, which doesn't make sense to me because if you go on YouTube Shorts, they're using music left and fucking right.
Created 514,000 jobs. Here's the Labor Secretary defending the president's words and claims.
No, I wouldn't say it's misleading. First of all, it's more than 500,000 because in manufacturing, we're up 700,000. I think what the president was talking about is that we took off this 10 million Americans who are out of work. Fast forward to today, 10 million Americans are back to work today. We surpassed the 10 million mark.
So in this jobs report, average hourly wages up 5% year over year, but inflation is far outpacing that. Again, the Federal Reserve is going to look at this and see this as putting pressure, upward pressure.
Oh man, new low of day is $140.97 on Apple. AAPL. Tell you what, long call options might be a good way to go on these tech stocks. Apple, Microsoft, SPY. We will eventually at some point recover. You just got to figure out when that might be and then take a guess and then hope that it does it quickly.
Senator Bernie Sanders, the standard bearer for the progressive left, was interviewed by Ezra Klein, and he was asked, shouldn't we support open borders?
367.70 or 364.77 still a low of day. Sitting right here at 366.12. So.
They would like nothing more than to have migrants streaming across the border working for $2 to $3 an hour. And then he said, very aptly, I don't believe in that. I believe in supporting the working class of this country. Fast forward to 2022, and Nancy Pelosi is out there literally saying that Koch brothers proposal. We need these migrants to pick crops.
Wait a minute, what you're doing now is getting right into the argument about should the migrants work and support themselves. I've consistently said
Nancy Pelosi made a statement
they're not going back. What are we going to do? Let them sit around here?
saying we need migrants to pick our crops here in this country because nobody else wants to do it. Now, I kind of understand what she's saying, as these migrants for the most part will do any job. They want to make money. There's nothing wrong with that. But in this day and age, you can't be saying stuff like that and not have it taken as racist or anything else. And I mean, that's kind of stupid in the first place. Everything everybody says is racist. Well, then when everybody says racist stuff, nothing is fucking racist. I am definitely never going to get monetized on here.
Time's up. I get the last word because it's my show. You don't like that video, okay?
Yep, you're absolutely correct, Banana Bread. I love monetized. I swear entirely too much. I've just come to terms with it.
What's wrong with Amazon? Federal agents believe they have enough evidence to charge Hunter Biden. Republicans say it's just the tip of the iceberg. Fox News legal analyst Bernie Sanders.
Hunter Biden may be looking at federal charges now. So we'll see what actually comes of that. Dow Jones currently down 458 points, 1.53% in the red. S&P is down 76 points, 2.04% in the red. NASDAQ is down 307 points, 2.77% in the red. I do believe that we'll be seeing new lows a day on the SPY here today yet. I do think that is a strong probability. How you doing today, man? I didn't ask you. You making money today? You wake up green? How you looking? How you sitting? Red, I'm sorry to hear that, man. You holding longs or what's your plan? You got a plan? Hopefully you don't just let it keep going red. That's no good. I've had 15 views, 3 likes, 3 likes. That's not bad. Come on. Come on, computer. Apple keeps going lower. Microsoft keeps going lower. Just sitting $1 over our daily low of day. Microsoft just keeps breaking down. Hoping it's green later. What? Hoping what's green? The SPY? No. How's everybody doing on Rumble? If you guys wouldn't mind dropping something in the chat, just let me know you're here. It'd be a big help to me.
Federal agents investigating Hunter Biden believe they could have enough evidence to charge him. David Scott is with us from the Justice Department. All right, David, charge him with what?
Well, we know right now that this has reached a sensitive and critical phase. This, according to a source familiar
Do this, do that,
with
do that, do this.
federal investigators have stopped collecting evidence in this and actually
Yeah, probably not.
to the U.S. Attorney in Delaware.
I mean, there's always a possibility.
That the feds right now have enough evidence to charge Biden with tax crimes, and I say crimes with a plural S, and a false statement related to a gun charge. Now, the investigation moved over the summer from the FBI to the U.S. Attorney in Delaware.
Low is 235.16 on Microsoft.
Did not file
Small little bounce back here.
in the 2 months or so before a federal election, but since Hunter Biden is not on the ballot, that rule may not apply. The timing of this right now is not
140.88
during this investigation. We know finished over the summer. DOJ
for Apple.
We have previously reported that Hunter Biden was being investigated for possible federal tax and gun paperwork violations, as well as even foreign lobbying crimes. The Washington Post reported yesterday
AMC is getting a little bump up here. $6.70 up to $6.77. So a 7-cent increase.
question asking if he was an unlawful user or addicted to drugs. That could be significant. Now, Chris Clark, an attorney for Hunter Biden, responding to the latest Post reporting, said it is a federal felony for a federal agent to leak information about a grand jury investigation such as this one. Any agent you cite as a source in your article apparently has committed such a felony. We expect the Department of Justice will diligently investigate and prosecute such bad actors. And Stewart, Hunter Biden's attorney is going over the fact that somebody gave this information to the Washington Post. I also want to talk about that laptop that's been in federal custody for several years. It's not clear if that will be used in any charging decisions. It is always possible, Stewart, that David Weiss, the U.S. attorney in Delaware, and
2 people watching on Rumble. Cool, cool.
come out with some sort of plea deal and basically come out to the public and say Hunter Biden has apologized. He's pleading guilty to X, Y, Z, and it may go down
15 views on YouTube, 3 likes, 1 concurrent viewer.
After 4 years, no charges. Why?
Well, because the last name of the target is Biden.
See here.
Anybody else would have long ago been charged. This has been stretching on, this investigation, for more than 4 years.
See if anything's
Been in the custody of the FBI.
see if anything's happening.
2019. It is a treasure trove of incriminating evidence. And what I think is so troubling here is that it sort of looks like there's a sweetheart deal in the offing.
Credit Susie, the investment bank whose shares plummeted to record lows this week over fears it could be on the brink of a collapse, is selling the 5-star Savvy Hotel
Serious potential crimes involving influence peddling, corruption,
in France. Is that what that said? Yeah, in France.
FARA violations,
For
for
$400 million as they face financial problems. They also came out and found them guilty of
fronts. And again, as I said,
money laundering.
other than a person with the last name Biden, the outcome would be dramatically different.
You've followed this story since day one. You know it very well. In your opinion, has the President of the United States been compromised? By perhaps compromising his dealings with China, for example?
Let's see us sitting at Credit Susie.
Looks like it, doesn't it, Stuart? I mean, $11 million flowed from the Chinese and the Ukrainians into Hunter Biden's bank account. Looks like he all but put a for sale sign on his dad's office door.
Sitting up at $4.52.
You know, it's a crime to use your public office to confer a benefit on a foreign entity or government in exchange for money. And the evidence seems overwhelming and compelling that Hunter Biden was selling access in addition to potentially influence, both of which are crimes. And so I think regardless of whether there's an indictment or a plea, Congress, if it flips and changes
Go
control,
back to this.
need to do a deep dive. Was there a security compromise to the Chinese, for example, on Joe and Hunter Biden, and are they unduly
I wonder how we're actually sitting for the first week of Q4.
to their benefit and against
I wonder.
the United States? I think that needs to be
I think overall this would be a green week unless we drop to like 800 points on the Dow. Be our first green week in 7 trading weeks if this weekend's green.
Talking points against manufacturing legislation that promoted the growth of US-based chip manufacturing. The president went on to say China was actively lobbying in the United States against that legislation, and some Republicans
Says I have 5 people watching on Rumble. If that's the case, thank you all for being here. Please think about liking and subscribing to the channel. It helps me out. We're just sitting here chilling, watching The Spy. I got one person over here in YouTube talking in the chat bar, so trying to make sure I pay enough attention to everybody. If there's anything you guys want to take a look at, feel free to let me know. Keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is financial advice. Also, please, 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 and I can't stress this enough, man. Please do not follow a content creator blindly on trades. Please don't do it. Our broadcasts are delayed by the time we call out numbers and everything else. You're already late. Number one. Number two, you know, we're just people. We can be just as wrong as anybody else. Doesn't matter which one you follow. Doesn't matter at all. New York City mayor is declaring an emergency after 17,000 migrants spark a shelter crisis. Well, how do you feel, or how do you think Texas and Florida and all those other places, Arizona feel like Jesus. But it's okay for them to have to deal with bullshit. Just sitting here chilling. If you guys have anything you want me to take a look at, feel free to let me know. If there's anything you're watching, feel free to bring it up. We'll talk about it. Content creator is going to make you lose money. That is a very real possibility, my friend. A very real possibility. I'm just here to talk about ideas, share some news, hopefully help everybody grow a little bit more. Helen, if you guys, very, very dashing. I'm a very dashing man. Couldn't quite get the VWAP on the Spy. Alright, well, while things are slow here, I'm going to take a quick 5-minute break. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing. Hit that like button for me. I'll be back in about, I don't know, 5 minutes. Get up, stretch my legs, walk around, and then we'll get right back to her. All right, I'm back. Not quite 5 minutes.
to take strong action to be able to help them internalize strong reasoning. So that's what you tell. You're on the street.
More than 50% of employees are saying they are quiet quitting, which is just stupid.
That's a pretty funny speech. But if you're talking about how much I charge, sir, I'm sure you are more than
Yeah, man, I'm a Packers fan. That's about it. I only watch football. Baseball's way too boring for me. How the way the football season's been going, that's way too boring for me now too.
related to that. But employee engagement, business culture has always been, a topic. So it's not, I'm not, there's nothing really earth-shatteringly, new. We used to call it loafing on the job.
Yeah, exactly. That's right. Hey, Dean Lindsay, that was interesting and fun. Thanks very much for being with us today. Much obliged.
Thank you.
The president seems to be moving toward the legalization of marijuana at the federal level. Seems like he's going there. I think he's testing the political waters. He's announced a fundamental change to the drug laws right before the election, an election in which his party is not doing well. I think it's a gamble. We'll talk about it in my take, which is next.
I'm a Packers fan. How about you? How you doing on Rumble?
This month, cuddle up to Royal River Casino and play football betting. After Rewards Card players earn 5 points, they can swipe their card at the kiosk. Select a mystery prize where you can win up to $40,000 in free play. Need more excitement? Try our Follow Surprises to Present Win. Players get a free daily swipe and can win up to $1,000 in free slot play. Earn 150 points in a day, and you can win a 3-night stay in Las Vegas. Possible to win. Royal River.
Right in there. Okay. Nothing major going on. We have the same. Nice, you're a Packers fan. That makes me happy. Yeah, there's only one right way to be, and that's the way to be. I've been a Packers fan since 1991 or 1992. I can't remember anymore. Since I was a kid. I'm getting my ass kicked though in my fantasy league. That's the word I was looking for. That's not the button I wanted to press. Give me 1 second. I'm not looking at the chats right now. Okay. Need to get some more viewers in here. I'll go spam Twitter here in a minute. Today's the 7th.
So we have major problems in the Department of Justice, and if they think that charging Hunter Biden for two of the least problematic things, that's not in any way going to be enough.
October's inflation data, the early indicators of that are showing a rise in October. So that could be a little bit of a little headwind. What we're talking about is what is our
All right, there we go. For those of you joining me on Rumble, thank you for being here. Basketball is kind of boring now. Yeah, I quit watching basketball a long time ago. Like a long. I quit watching basketball when Michael Jordan left. Shut the hell up with the music. All right, there we go. Says I have 3 viewers in here on YouTube. If that's the case, thank you. Welcome for being, or thank you for being here. Welcome. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, think about subscribing. I'd greatly appreciate it. Same thing on Rumble. Just sitting here chilling. Dow Jones has moved to the north a little bit, 383.76 points in the red. That's 1.30%. S&P has moved back to the north, so has the NASDAQ. S&P is sitting at 1.71% in the red, and NASDAQ is sitting at 2.45% in the red. May actually see a break over VWAP on the SPY here shortly, which is personally not what I wanted. Weed stocks kind of went crazy yesterday because Biden made an announcement. Wants to decriminalize it pretty much. Change the schedule of it. So we'll see what happens with that. It says I've had 23 views here on YouTube, 3 watchers, and 4 likes. Need to get better numbers out of that somehow. 3 likes on Rumble with 5 watching. That's not bad. Am I right? Go back and check Twitter. See if we break over VWAP or if we just keep busting under it.
I think it's a big gamble for the Democrats right before an election. You think it's going to pay off for them?
Well, another way of putting that, in terms of the election timings too, we'd say this is a big bribe from the Democrats before an election, an attempted bribe, another bit of pandering to try and get some people on their side that they're worried won't turn out to vote. We saw it with the student loans, and now we see this. On the other hand, doesn't mean it's wrong. And I'm with you. I think this is perfectly reasonable. I think adults should be able to make these kinds of choices. And I think it is important that some people who are in jail and shouldn't be barred from, for example, getting a job and so on.
Oh, nothing exciting happening on Twitter.
Inflation relief checks in California going out today, I believe. What is it, 23 million residents going to receive some kind of relief? $1,000, $1,050.
Oh.
Now this comes as the gas price
Microsoft is starting to creep up.
$6.39 for a gallon on
Kind of boring right now. Kind of boring right now. Nothing real exciting.
This is relief for the gas price, which, as you say, far higher here, roughly $2.50 higher the average in California, the rest of the country. That is a direct result of Democrat policy.
We're sitting up $1, just under $1 on from our low of day on Apple.
On the industry, which pushes the price up. They first started discussing this. This was proposed.
Just over $1 up from our low of day on Microsoft.
Actually get to send it out is weeks before an election. As I've been saying, just when the ballot, we're going to have all mail voting.
$2 and change on the Spy.
The ballot and send it out. You're good to know. Good. Now, I was checking you out overnight. You went on a Twitter rant talking about smartphones. Here's the quote. Yeah, more and more services are now only accessible through smartphones. This is digital discrimination and should be stopped. We should be incentivizing people to be phone free, not making society even more dependent on these toxic, antisocial, anti-human devices. I think you've not quite made your case there, Steve. You surely don't ban it.
All right.
You're the guy who doesn't want a smartphone in the hands of anyone under 16. That's true. That's exactly right. I don't think children should have unsupervised access to the internet. You're seeing all sorts of terrible content now being viewed regularly by young people.
What are you looking at for Monday, Mr. Banana Bread?
And despite all the parental controls from the phone and tech companies and so on, say that they in fact
I do think that we're dropping under the low of day, $364.77 today on the Spy. I don't think that was the low. You guys on Rumble, you guys got any plans for next week, Monday, Tuesday? Are you guys holding stuff through the weekend?
with government services, you literally can't do it if you don't have a smartphone. They're designed exclusively for smartphones. And I don't think we should be forcing people to have these devices as a matter of course in our society.
But if you ban them, isn't that an unconstitutional interference of trade?
Well, I want to ban them for children because we make many rules that ban things for children. Or we've been just been discussing, or smoking. There's lots of rules we put in place to protect children. So I think actually that kind of rule would help parents do what they want to do, which is to limit their kids' exposure to the internet at an early age when it's unsupervised. But for the adult one, I'm not about banning anything. I'm just saying that actually companies and government services, what they're doing now effectively is
Let's see here.
people who don't have smartphones from using their services. I don't think that's acceptable.
I know we're going to get a lot of emails on this. Emails, I should say. And sure, I'm going to pass them on to you.
Today,
Maybe we feature them in weeks
there we
to
go.
come. Steve Hilton, we would love to see it. Yeah, you will. On the next Revolution, it's Sunday night, 9 p.m. Eastern only on Fox. Steve, thanks a lot, sir. Back to the markets for this. We're still selling off, but not as bad as it's bad. Down 400 points on the Dow. And what have we got on the Nasdaq? Down nearly 300. Yeah, that's a sell. Jonathan Honig with me now. If you say a bear market is not what kills the economy.
You will let your brother do it, and you will work Monday.
Yeah, we can recover from a bear market.
What are you letting your brother do?
Economy is what's killing
Huh?
this economy, and
Huh?
that is inflation. You know, America
You guys share a trading account or something?
because of 400, 500 points down in the Dow, or even costs are going up. Wages are going down quite dramatically. The Federal Reserve Dallas Stewart had a number out this week. Basically, Americans had an 8% pay cut last year. A pay cut. And can you imagine the president, fundraising or campaigning on, everyone gets an 8% pay cut? That's what really kills an economy, Stewart. 8% year after year after year. People's savings simply evaporating. That's exactly
Nice, nice.
with no evidence of
It's nice that you guys get along like that. That's cool.
put it in reverse.
So I agree with that.
Nothing wrong with that at all.
Do you see inflation moderating at all, big time, or just at all in the months to come?
Well, I mean, look, it started in Washington, Stewart, and it needs to end in Washington. And keep in mind, this is not a Washington or even a Wall Street story. It's a Main Street story. People are cutting back on food, travel, dating. Their quality of life is suffering. But think back to 1978,
That's pretty neat. So you guys just split stuff 50-50, huh? That's not bad. Then you don't have to worry about missing a day. 25 views. 4 likes, that's it. Huh.
This is all material that fuels inflation, and that's what's killing everyday Americans. Again, you're working the same amount, but you're making 8% less at the same time that costs are going up and your investments are going to the ground.
You got it exactly right. Jonathan Honey, thank you very much, sir. We'll see you up. And Lauren, looking at the movers, AMD down huge earlier, down now.
Yeah, it's down 10%. So the chip maker is warning that their third quarter sales are going to fall more than $1 billion shy of their prior forecast. PC shipments obviously down, weak demand for semiconductors, but there's concern that this could be a lot worse than expected. It's one reason why Intel is down 4%, and that is one of the big reasons Intel and Microsoft were the downside of 400 points.
What's the story on Meta other than it's way down because interest rates are rising?
They're telling 1 million Facebook users
Okay, let's see
that
here.
their usernames and passwords might have been stolen because they downloaded a bad app. Okay, there's that. But I think overall, if you look at a year-to-date performance for Meta, they're down 60% this year.
Huge.
Worse than their competitors. And now, do investors not believe in their pivot to the metaverse? Does it suggest that? They're less
Oh, man. My back is sore today.
I mean, let's take that time on the metaverse. Maybe Wall Street doesn't think it's going to be working.
That's how it seems.
Okay. Levi's, I think they're down sharply, 8%.
They cut their full-year profit forecast after they missed on their latest quarter's revenue. Morgan Stanley says they're taking a
You holding anything through the weekend?
chain disruptions.
Banana bread?
Market is harder than their rivals.
How many pairs of jeans do you have?
I don't know. I stopped counting. I frequently throw them out. But Levi's has strong brand talent. They really do. So it's surprising to hear this coming from Levi's.
They are big. Good stuff. Thanks, Laura. Rite Aid. Sick and tired of people stealing in New York City. They're considering a plan to lock up every single item in the store to make sure no
Just reading, see if there's any important news coming out.
to renewing calls for energy independence. And the president says he's considering alternative.
And it does not
Does this include
seem that way right now.
that one for you? The border chief says migrant buses and flights are attracting more illegals to the border. They see it as a ticket to go wherever they want in America. The border report is next.
The wheel in the sky keeps on turning. I can't sing worth a shit, but that's okay.
Found out about this amazing program. They actually train you in software development. You learn about electricity, you're gonna learn about robots. It has tripled my income. Amazon has given me a career. I did not have one before, but Amazon has given me one.
All right, Banana Bread, where do you think we end today? Just for shits and giggles, just for entertainment. Where do you think we end? What do you think the spy ends at today? I am going to say nice. That's not a bad plan at all. Just chill.
It's buy this, get that free in Hy-Vee this Friday through Sunday. Buy one, get one free at Jimmy Dean.
I'm going to say the spy ends at 360, 363.85. That's where I think we're going. Red. Yep. Might lead to a Green Monday, though. Depends on what news comes out Monday. I don't know. Biden said, he came out with an announcement this morning and said, Putin is not joking about using nuclear weapons. I don't know. If Putin launches a nuclear weapon this weekend, I can pretty much guarantee you that everything will be red. Come the whole week next week. Yeah. Wait and see what happens, I guess. Let's see. All right, Mr. Banana Bread, I'm going to need you to do me a favor. Go share my link all over Twitter. If you would, sir. If not, that's fine too.
In a world where life moves quickly and education comes in many forms, we believe there is still value in personal relationships, affordable, quality academics, and a supportive, Christ-centered environment.
Let's see.
The University of Sioux Falls looks to the future. We embrace what makes us different. If you're looking for a transformational experience, there is a difference. And that difference is here. And that difference is here.
Let's see here. Share this. Okay, copy paste. Got it. Okay.
Well, just look at that. 600,000 known gotaways in this fiscal year alone. 600,000. Greg Jenkins is at the border. He's at Eagle Pass. They just found more migrants in a tractor trailer. Tell me more about this one.
That's right, Stuart. Good morning. Since I've been on the ground here at Eagle Pass, this week there have been more than 75 smuggling attempts busted. It's unbelievable.
Let's see.
I was
Nope,
here
that's not
on
the
Same
button.
Spot reporting to you back in June when we learned the tragic news that 53 migrants had died in a tractor trailer in San Antonio. This story turns out fortunately better. Take a look at this video. You can see in Hidalgo County in the RGV.
Hold on, guys. I'm not paying attention to any of the chats. I'm trying to update Twitter. Get some more subscribers. I thought this shit was gonna be easy, man. I give credit to the creators out there now. Like, this is not as easy as I thought it was gonna be.
Texas DPS helicopters as they pursued some of those 600,000 gotaways. Take a look at this video. You can see they use this flare camera technology to match it to heat, seeking individuals on the ground to try and find the migrants under the brush. And if we're being honest about it, Stuart, there were several hours that we were pursuing migrants. We didn't find those specific ones that night, and that's why so many are able to get away.
There we go.
So many of our resources and agents having to
Just chilling now.
2 million plus migrants that are just walking over.
3 likes on Rumble. Nice. I like it. It makes me happy. Total of 30 views on YouTube with only likable guy. What? What's wrong? What's wrong? I'm a likable guy. I'm a handsome fella. You know, honey, if you're listening, if my wife is listening, I think my idea of just hiring a stripper one time to do a little TikTok dancey dance, I think would be great. I think it would be a big help.
That the migrant transport, provided by Texas and Florida, they're attracting more people to try to cross the border. Texas Congressman Tony Gonzalez joins me. Congressman, I can see how the commissioner might have a point. Because if you're bossing them, New York, DC, wherever, they're going where they want to go. That is attracting them across the border, isn't it?
No, you're exactly right, Stuart. And honestly,
Banana bread, you're a badass.
you know, the federal government was flying people all over the country, and now the states and the municipalities are busing people all
You're-
over the country. I'm getting word that migrants are showing up going, I want to go to Chicago. I want to go to New York.
You're a badass, man. I appreciate you. Hopefully your brother's just as cool.
The House Democrats and Joe Biden.
By the way, Congressman, the mayor of New York City, Eric Adams, has just declared a state
Spy moving back down.
over the migrant buses. That's how bad it is.
Dow Jones is now down
Any comment on that, sir?
491 points.
Not wrong. Anything that this touches, anything that this border crisis touches, turns to ash.
I do appreciate you, Banana Bread. Mr. Banana Bread.
Is House Democrats continue to turn a blind eye. You know, I'm excited. Kevin McCarthy, leader of the Republican Party, has pushed on this commitment to America, and we have a plan. You know, House Republicans win back the majority. We are going to push this securing the border. That starts with ending catch and release. Right now, if you get apprehended, you just get released. All that does is encourage more people to come and break the law. It's complete lawlessness along the border.
Vice President Harris is going to be spending the
do that, but that starts in November. You got to come out and vote Republican up and down the ballot, and let's get some change going.
Congressman Tony Gonzalez.
Go back and check.
Thanks for joining us. Appreciate it.
There we go. Says I have 3 people watching on Rumble. If that's the case, thank you guys for being here. I do appreciate you. I do appreciate you. Think about subscribing. I do go live every day, Monday through Friday. Sometimes I try to go bell to bell, but I have a real life that I have to take care of during business hours as well. So keep that in mind. But I am always here. And you can get a hold of me on... No, you don't. Yes, I do, Patrick. Patrick here is my brother-in-law. He's a sweetheart of a man. Don't you have some concrete to go pour, Pat?
The company has already closed locations in New York's Hell's Kitchen and the Upper East Side neighborhoods. They've also added off-duty police officers in other stores and is now
Hey, you better hit that like button for me.
pharmacy-only format.
I have 4. I should be seeing 5. Should be seeing 5 likes. Here, I'll refresh it. Nope, still not. Let's see.
See you later for feedback.
Nope, still only 4. You got to hit that like button for me, Pat. Come on.
Feedback on luxuries. But there's one thing most of us, we're not going to stop spending on it. We'll tell you what it is shortly. Stu Leonard says crowds are back to normal at his grocery stores, but people are not spending like they used to. Stu's going to join me in a few moments with some
Thanks for showing up, Pat. I do appreciate you, man.
of some foods are finally coming down.
Says I have 4 people watching on Rumble now. If that's the case, thank you for being here. Do appreciate you. Just sitting here chilling, watching the Spy, Microsoft. I don't know why I have 2 charts set to the Spy. Damn it, Banana Bread. You're supposed to tell me that stuff. Damn, AMC is just getting beat. Says I have 5 people now in Rumble. Thank you guys for being here. Think about subscribing and hitting that like button for me. It just helped me out. Waiting to see if any news pops up today. If you guys have anything you want to talk about, feel free to drop it in the chat. We can talk about anything you want. Politics, stocks, cars, football. And when I say we can talk about football, I need you guys to understand that the Packers are in fact going to the Super Bowl this year, and they're going to win. They're just going to win. That's what's going to happen. You know the difference between a Packers fan and a Vikings fan? Is we can say that with confidence. Vikings fans can't. You shut your mouth. You hit the like button already, damn it. $31 views, 4 likes. That's not a good record today. Not good at all. All right. Well, that was fun. I'm waiting for the SPY to break down below $364.77. That's what I'm waiting for. As I do firmly believe that we will be seeing new lows today again. Not yearly. We might not necessarily see yearly lows. I don't see it dropping, $10 right now, but I do think it's going to drop. Okay, pull that back up. Let's see. U.S. job growth slows again in September, with only adding 263,000 positions. It's not, man, people. Oh, let's go check Twitter. Twitter's at $49.01. Oh shit, Cano.
Okay, that's a good bunch of movers you got there.
Yeah, that's a lot of energy.
Talk of a buyout on Kennel.
Going on for the weekend after that. All right, gas prices, as you know, if you watch this show, they've gone up for the last 13 days straight. The national average is now $3.89. It went up another 3 cents overnight. Grady Triple in Chicago. Hey, Grady, any relief inside?
Takeover.
Unfortunately not, Stu. Good for the energy companies, not good for drivers. The days of falling prices that we saw over the summer seem like a distant memory now. The national average today is 13 cents higher than it was a month
Currently sitting at $365.55 on the SPY. The Dow Jones is now down 476 points, 1.5% or 1.60% red on the day. S&P is sitting at 78 points in the red, which is 2.09. And NASDAQ is 320 points in the red, 2.90%.
production of 2 million barrels a day, sending oil prices
Again, if you guys want to talk about anything, let me know. Let's see. Anything going on Twitter now? No? Banana bread. You know what, Mr. Banana Bread?
taking more oil out of the strategic petroleum reserve.
I wish I could give you something, but I can't. I fucking have nothing. But I'm very thankful. It's badass of you, man.
Let's keep this up, domestic production, let's do this. Now we find ourselves begging for oil from the Persian Gulf. It's a horrible situation to be in.
We're also keeping an eye on diesel prices, Stu. The national average for diesel up 3 cents since yesterday, getting quite close to $5 a gallon, and we know how those diesel prices.
Oh, I'm so happy it's Friday.
Anything else we buy because that's what the truckers do.
So happy it's Friday.
Diesel by next Tuesday. That's my prediction. Because we're all
I'll write that down.
Get out of town this weekend, go hang out, see some family.
Now, we've dealt with energy prices. Now let's deal with food prices. Stu Leonard Jr. is with us, joining us from one of his stores in Norwalk, Connecticut. Stu, you say customer levels are back to normal.
Got a total of 53 subscribers now. That's nice. That's not bad. I don't think that's bad. For a month, you know, we got 53. That's all right.
And we're noticing when we put things on sale at the stores, there was just a great article in the Wall Street Journal about how Lowe's
Hey, kid,
not putting as much on sale as
your aunt is very happy for you. She says congratulations.
customers are buying more
I will indeed.
on sale right now. And I think we hear a lot of
You call your ma?
freezing. So they're buying stuff on sale and freezing is one way to save
Great.
money today when you go to the food store.
What products are you seeing with actual price cuts? Not because they're on sale, but because the cost to you has gone down.
53 is not bad at all. I'm not complaining. What I am complaining about is there's something that people are not liking. You see here? There's something that people are just not liking. I've got 2 viewers and 31. Oh, thank you, Pat, for liking that. I do appreciate that. But for views, I should have more. I should have a few more likes. So there's something I have to do to change. Oh, that was the wrong fucking button. I gotta change something that I'm doing to make people want to stay here. So it gives me a little bit of insight, which is nice. It's very nice to have.
Overall, the meat prices easing a little bit right now. It seems like the supply chain is getting smoothed out a little bit right now. A couple things that are going up,
Let's
like
see.
eggs that gave you
Only 2 people watching on Rumble right now. Thank you guys. If you guys are just watching me and listening to me, I do appreciate it. I mean, that's just fine. The reason why I keep repeating myself is because I don't know if it's the same people or if, you know, it's just people coming in and out. So I'm going to have to continue to do so.
1972, 50 years ago, when I first came to America, I landed at JFK in the middle of the night, and I was driven to Westport, Connecticut. The next morning, I got up.
Well, we'll find out. somebody liking and unliking. Just sitting there all day, clickety click.
I'll come and see it again soon.
Well, I hope you do. I'd love to show you around.
Come on, why can't I get this to pull back up? What the hell happened?
Thanks very much for being
There we
with
go.
us today. We appreciate it, and we'll see you again soon.
Love your show. Thank you, Stuart. Happy holiday.
Thanks. When it comes to cutting back costs, there is
There we go. Got it.
don't want to give up. You better tell us what it is, Ash.
Streaming services, they'll even ditch the state for Netflix apparently, even as Americans cut back in the face of rising prices. Of course, fears of efficiency. Few are willing to give up those streaming subscriptions, according to a report from National Research Group. Most people said they were more likely to cut back on dining out, groceries and clothing, and least likely to cancel Amazon Prime TV and movie
All right, nothing going on Twitter. Cool.
over half, 51%, say
That's just fine with me.
make up a significant portion of their monthly spending, with an average monthly layout of $135. I think mine is a lot higher than that, but according to another report, most consumers underestimate exactly how much they spend on subscription services every month by at least $100, because why? Well, they lose track of those subscriptions at a
Do-do-do-do-do-do. I can't wait for Christmas.
pretty hefty fees every month, Stu.
Yeah, it's not like it's real money. It's just, it's gone right. Simple as that. No,
That's all right. There we go.
thanks, Ash. Back to you shortly for private feedback. And an early twist. United Airlines announced they want a fleet of electric planes by the end of the decade.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go smoke quick.
Before needing a recharge.
Take a quick break. Have a cigarette. Be all sorts of happy. Refill my coffee cup, and then we'll be right back at it.
And they say it's nearly impossible to book these
This Christmas is going to be fucking expensive. It's going to be rough, man. I mean, I still love it, but it's going to be a good time. All right, I'll be right back. Give me like just a few minutes. I'm going to have a cigarette. Yeah, it's seems the older we get, the faster time goes as well. I mean, shit. I walked into Walmart. They got Halloween stuff up and Christmas shit up. I was like, holy damn.
Planes will also include a reserve hybrid engine powered by sustainable aviation fuel. Not a bad idea.
There it is. Yeah. All right, Ash, thank you. You know, all that water in Florida has damaged, maybe tens of thousands of cars. Some electric vehicles, given the water, are actually exploding. Madison Alwyn at the firehouse in Naples. Obviously, that's a big problem for the firefighters. How many have they had to put out so far?
Stuart, in Collier County,
Man, this is
they had to put
my
out
computer's being slow for some reason. I don't know why.
and those are really dangerous to battle. I want to right away bring in Assistant Fire Chief James Hammond. So when we see these fires with EVs, what makes them harder to put out and more dangerous than gas fire? Before you get to that answer, I do want to make sure we're also playing some video that you guys shared with us of one of those Teslas on fire. So with that example, why are they more difficult and harder to put out?
For us, it's just the allocation of resources that we have to put towards these EV fires. That's a typical fire in cars in the past would be
All right.
water in our engine and would be less than an hour job, pretty routine. And these will find they take up to hours to cool the
If you see any news pop up there,
and it's just
banana bread went to the Philippines before Christmas month.
have a water source. We have to just secure the area and let them burn because we can't get enough water to them.
And just let them burn to the ground.
Oh damn! That see, I would kind of like that. You see a different side of people during the holiday season, which is sad. You know, you see a lot more kindness, a lot more caring. And it's sad that it only happens during a certain part of the year. It really is. I try to carry that idea year round. I just don't understand why people take it's a way it's a joke, really. I mean, realistically, you shouldn't be treating people like shit and then 1 month out of the year I'm going to be a nice person. No, go fuck yourself. I'm not a saint by any means, but I do enjoy the fact that people in general, their attitudes change. If you see any news, Banana Bread, on Twitter or whatever you're on, let me know. I'm not seeing anything worth a shit right now.
PepsiCo apparently will get the first deliveries on December the 1st. Production of these futuristic battery-powered semis was slated to go into production by 2019, but the timeline has been pushed back multiple times because we're told of a shortage of parts. PepsiCo, by the way, reserved 100 of Tesla's trucks back in 2017 to ship snack foods and beverages between manufacturing and distribution centers, as well as to retailers. The truck itself expected to cost $180,000, although it would qualify for a tax break of up to $40,000 under a program approved by the Senate. Now, Musk says the electric semis have a range of 500 miles, but you know what? Where are they going to find the chargers? That is the question. These Tesla semi-chargers, we're told they can recharge 70% of the battery in 30 minutes. But bear this in mind, the average mileage for an 18-wheeler on a tank full of diesel fuel is 2,100 miles, and they can fill up in 5 to 10 minutes. So they take some...
Just reading through Twitter, seeing if there's anything that I'm missing.
Even with diesel at $5 or $6 a gallon. Yeah, even with. All right, Ash, let's get back to the market. We do this every day around this time. A sense of the market. We show you what all 30 of the Dow stocks are doing. I'll tell you now.
Only 3 of the Dow Jones stocks are green right now, and they're barely green. Dow Jones is down 490 points, 1.64%. S&P is down 81.99 points, 2.20%. Nasdaq is down 343 points, 3.10%. My brain goes a little faster sometimes than my mouth will allow it. So that's where we're sitting at right now. You're absolutely correct. Yep. If you say something trashy to somebody, they'll remember that forever and not care about the apology. You are 100% right on that. The trending news for me in Twitter is President. Apparently, the people are angry. Okay. Oh, because he's always traveling? Yeah, no shit. Always traveling, not fixing shit.
This month, huddle up to Royal River Casino and play football fame. After reward card players earn 5 points, they can swipe their card at the kiosk. Select the mystery prize where you can win up to $40,000 in free play. Need more excitement? Try our Follow Surprises to Present Win. Players get a free daily swipe and can win up to $1,000 in free slot play. Earn 150 points in a day and you could win a 3-night stay in Las Vegas. Must be present to win. Royal River, 21.
Let's see here. Says I have 2 people watching. There's a typhoon going on in the Philippines right now. Okay. That may be impactful. Get it? Get it? I don't know. Maybe that was a poor taste joke.
When performing ICER, it's a very serious moment. This is something that brings me a lot of comfort. Is the fact
If you're joining me live on Rumble, I do appreciate you being here. Think about subscribing and hitting that like button for me. Trying to grow my channels. Same thing on YouTube. If you're joining me on YouTube, my crime rate is. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not surprised by that. You're talking about the crime rate in the Philippines, or here? Because yes, both would be correct. Just bouncing around on this 365 mark. Spy's trying to figure out which way to go. Dooby dooby doo. Apple low of day was $140.79. SPY low of day was $364.77. Sitting at $365.25 right now. Gotta cover up the noise of the music playing in the fucking background. Microsoft low of day was $235.16. Sitting at $235.95 right now. I don't think these are going to hold up at all. I really don't.
I take full responsibility. I'm the worst of the worst. I am. You don't sit, I try to hide it from you, but when something goes wrong, I'm tearing my hair out. Anyone
All right. Somebody just liked my YouTube. That's great. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Just watching the SPY, a few other stocks. Anything else you guys want to see, let me know. Banana bread is a badass. Banana bread is a badass. Goes around sharing all my stuff, liking it all.
I've heard you talk about Carhartt, so thank you so much for educating me. I don't have a pair, but I have many pairs of designer overalls that cost a lot more.
Overalls? Wait a minute.
Let's see.
Not like a
Oh, Jesus. Chicago area residents can apply for $500 per month guaranteed income program. I can't. Shit is just dumb. It's dumb. Oh my God, the people are stupid. Damn, what the fuck? Yeah, no, it's fucking stupid. The amount of stupidity that it takes. Says I have 3 watching on YouTube. I really do appreciate you being here. Think about liking and subscribing for me. Be a great help. Just sitting here chilling. Same thing if you're watching on Rumble. If there's anything you guys want to see, talk about, let me know. Drop it in the chat. I don't care. What now, NC? How you doing, man? Thanks for showing up. How's your day going? We're just sitting here watching The Spy, Microsoft, Apple, AMC, checking on her every once in a while. Waiting to see where the rest of the day takes us. Damn, AMC is just getting beat up. If there's anything you guys want to take a look at, drop them in the chats and let me know. Feel free to give me your thoughts on how you think today's going to end and where you think we're going to be next week as well. I think we're going to be red next week. If you guys didn't hear me just a few minutes ago, well, what was that headline again? Said Chicago area residents can apply for a guaranteed $500 a month in income. So there's that stupid news. Let me ask you guys, do you think we've seen the bottom of the market last week? Do you think that was the bottom? When the SPY hit, what was it, 357. $357.04. Do you think that was the low? Because personally, I do not. I think it's about to get a lot worse. That's just my personal opinion. Keep in mind there's a delay in broadcasting from me to you guys on Rumble and on the hell is that? YouTube. Shooby-dooby-doo. If government can just print money, why are we paying taxes? Well, because now we're just printing make-believe money. Like, I don't even think it's... We're trillions of dollars in debt. Trillions, guys. It's just a made-up number at this point. Like, truly just a made-up flipping number. Scratchy beard today. Oh. Low of the day on the SPY was $364.77. I'm thinking we're going to be below that shortly. Tornado sirens going off here at my house. Is it the first Friday today? What the hell? Oh, okay. It's a tornado siren. It's just a test. My little one is home from school today. Wait, what? You posted something on TikTok? Banana bread?
Are you still streaming?
Yes, I'm still streaming. Yeah, not dancing though. All right, Mr. Banana Bread. All right, Mr. Banana Bread. Let's see here. What's your TikToker thing? You know damn well I'm gonna go look it up. There's a few. Well, tell me which one you posted on. What? Only a couple hours. Come on, tell me which one it is. I'm gonna go follow you. Banana, are you are a badass, dude. You're over here sharing my stuff all over Twitter. Man, I. Screen book call. I'm recommending it to the TikTok. Okay, well, tell me what your TikTok is. I want to see what you posted. If you guys are new to the streams, please hit that like and subscribe button. Just sitting here chilling today, watching the SPY, Microsoft, AMC, Apple, whatever whatnots that you want to see. Any news you want to talk about, feel free to drop it in the chat. We'll discuss anything. Mr. Banana Bread here on YouTube is a badass, and I am very thankful he's here. You're a hell of a hype man.
Yeah, exactly. And then you have the added problem of those refinery issues out west causing gas prices at the pump to go up. The good news is the pipe prices on the west coast of the United States are going to start to come down, but especially because of that OPEC Plus agreement to cut production, you're going to see prices in other parts of the country go up in a noticeable way at the pump. I do want to start with California, though, because congressional Democrats are asking the Federal Trade Commission...
Sitting at $365.25 on the SPY. Waiting to see if it breaks down or it breaks up. Has it even broke above VWAP today at all?
Transparency and accountability are constituents
No, it has not. Has not at all. It's been
regulating markets at
rejected from it.
everyday Americans, including through any coordination to affect refining capacity or inventory levels. Of course, there's no evidence of that in other investigations already underway. What we know, and you mentioned it, Neil, is that that production cut from OPEC Plus is having the intended consequence, sending oil prices way up. Look at that increase from just a week ago, trading above $92 a barrel. What that means is parts of the country that have been enjoying relatively lower prices at the pump.
Oh, Deb Psalms 27 over here on Rumble, leaving me a couple of comments. I don't see those unless they're in the live chat, and then I get a notification on my phone that somebody just commented, so I have to refresh everything. So thank you. The sirens are going off just because it's Friday. Heard much about the possibility of deflation happening. Deflation will happen. I mean, the possibility of it happening, not for a while. It would be after, I think after Q1 of 2023. But it all depends on how much that's going to... Deflation is going to depend on how much... It's going to depend on the rate of inflation, number one. It's also going to depend on... Once we get to a point with the Fed of being able to starting to lower those rates back down, it's going to depend on how fast we come back down. So the faster we come back down, actually, it could be worse for the overall market. What the shit? All right, I'm gonna check you out. What is this? NEK. Okay. YUN. Hold on, kiddo.
And next, so then we have a CPI print next Thursday, which probably won't even have the impact of most of that in there. So it's really going to be the November one that will come after, around the time of the retail inflation, right? Retail, right? CPI. The thing nobody's talking about, Matt, Element didn't have it. That's regular unleaded. How about diesel prices? I think.
Wait a minute.
Ignores the fact that
You have 201 followers?
higher. So that's home heating oil for the winter, which is in front of us. And the cost of moving things around the country by truck. Right? Supply chain is a story that maybe we're not talking about, but supply chain becomes a problem when it costs, $2 more for diesel and independent truckers and operators really can't operate anymore. That becomes a big challenge. And the jobs report today,
I'm pretending to be a girl, and that seems to be working. Well played. Everybody, I got Banana Bread here in YouTube chat. He's killing it on YouTube. Or not YouTube, on, what the hell is that, Twitter.
bit by bit comes down and down. And the administration is regarding that. The backdrop is still strong.
Yes.
And I get that. But
I guess I will be posting to Twitter. Or not Twitter. TikTok. Hopefully I didn't.
Yes, participation actually went down as well, so that's not good for inflation. And also, just getting back to trucking and the supply chain crunch.
Can I have a donut?
Yes, you can have a donut. A donut.
And they're paying $19 an hour.
Donut.
Donut.
Signing bonus just
Do not.
workers in for the holiday period.
Oh shit, I forgot to. There you go. I followed you, buddy.
Just transport prices have come down in the past year. You're talking about Convoy and a lot of the big disruptors in transport and supply chain outbreak. You're down 50% this year, and you're still up 100% from 2019. So the inflation
Dad, would you like a donut?
Not right now, thank you.
and the oil, obviously that's not good for the trucking business.
and we got this all going on here. It took a lot, maybe a place to give back all the things up on that Tuesday. Nevertheless, the market seemed to pounce on
Okay, apparently I got another notification over here on Rumble.
For the Federal Reserve to alter or pivot or do anything like that. Do you agree with that? That we see a 3/4 point hike next month and possibly something similar or a half point.
Any talk on how dilution would impact the markets, or deflation, not dilution. Like I said earlier, it depends on how fast deflation happens.
Quarters of negative GDP growth, maybe in the third quarter of negative GDP growth, I don't know. But the thing that the
And when it happens.
hanging their hat on, the Fed's been hanging their hat on, the Treasury Department's been hanging their hat on, is the fact that the labor market remains strong. What happened a few days ago? A million people sort of dropped out. So the number of people who,
What, honey?
the number of jobs
Can
that
you
are out
send
there that
YouTube
are
on to have it play it?
jobs report, a million less jobs.
Upstairs?
We're starting to see
In my
cracks in
down
the
here.
labor market. More
On your computer?
No, because my computer's not working.
No, I need the TV right now. You can eat that and then you go watch it upstairs in your room if you want.
Or I could just.
And then we have to get you have to get ready for the day because we're gonna be leaving this afternoon.
When?
Once the other two get home from school.
And when Swan gets home.
Yep, that too.
What time is it?
I'm gonna copy that so that I can save that for later. Banana bread.
Go grab my phone.
I do appreciate that information. That'll be helpful when I start making mine then. I'll just tag everything. I don't give a damn.
It's going to be. I think they tossed that out, and I'm just wondering, we still can't wrap our arms around that.
Says I have 2 people watching on YouTube. If that's the case, thank you for being here. We have Mr. Banana Bread and myself just chilling in the chat. Please think about liking and subscribing to the channel. It only helps me out. It may help you out. It may entertain you. But I can't guarantee anything.
By the way, that December one could be 75. So, I'm just wondering, how high is too high? We've not had any impact yet, right, on activity.
If you're climbing 400 basis points in 9 months, that's probably the steepest we've seen.
But inflation isn't budging. It's not budging. And I'm wondering, it's one thing to have numbers that can at least the pace of increase is slowing down. I'm just wondering if it's a sign too that
Dow Jones is currently down 441 points.
fall in inflation that's so
29,483.99 is where that's sitting.
well. So what's the goal of raising interest rates to start wiping out demand? I think there's still so much pent-up demand that hasn't been successful in wiping out demand and slowing the economy. And yet, the Fed governors yesterday coming out and saying that it's stubbornly high, that inflation is stubborn, something we've been talking about for a while.
Low of the day on Apple was $148.90, sitting at $141.31. Not gonna lie, guys. If these prices keep going down, if I was interested, I'd be looking for entry points on your tech ones, on your Microsoft, on your Apple, on man, I can't even think of all of them, but my brain doesn't want to work. $364.77 is the low of the day on the SPY, sitting at $365.70 currently. So waiting to see which way these break out. If they break to the downside real hard or break up. But I would be looking at, I mean, these are growth stocks. They're blue chips. You don't go wrong by buying them and holding them.
You talked about the JOLTS reports, and we're calling this a white-collar jobs recession because you still have a lot of leisure, hospitality, hiring. However, the quits rates, if you look at the actual white-collar jobs, that quits rate went down dramatically just in the past month or so.
Still 10 million jobs.
So 11 million, yes, but again, there's a bifurcation with those that work on hourly wages.
Awesome, man. That is excellent news. Banana Bread over here doing his thing, trying to give me information to help me grow as much as possible. That's badass. That is badass.
In a so-called recovery, isn't it? And I think we're taking our eye off the ball that there isn't a tremendous amount of stimulus still going on in the economy, right? So maybe the checks aren't coming from the federal government, but this state is lowering gas. Yes. This state is a stimulus check. there's all kinds of state-sponsored stimulus that's out there. That's just enough. We're not talking about real estate a lot. Rents are going up like crazy. Housing prices are going up like crazy. Mortgage rates are going up. These people got to live somewhere. At some point, don't you get up? You said ask before, so I'll say it again. If you get up your ass and get back to work, right?
But I don't need to, right? And that's
Where are you living? Where are you living?
Rates are stabilizing, and I thought because the mortgage rates are at the highest since 2008, that you see mortgage demand come down dramatically.
I have
Decade lows.
a YouTube short that I posted this morning. It's only got 2 views on it. I'm not understanding why. And then I have one with like 400 and some odd views. It's odd to me. I don't understand how they're not being seen.
in the show here. In the meantime, to both of their point here, this economy
424 views.
is still surprising a lot of people at its inherent
That was the first one I made.
jobs gains and maybe that they were a little bit better than some thought, but they are continuing this slide well off our highs. But again, for the
Says I have 3 people watching on Rumble currently. Thank you for being here.
digesting, how far does a slowdown
I do appreciate you.
not seeing any real palpable slowdown in the jobs arena? Now, there's
If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button for me, think about subscribing. I'd greatly appreciate that as well.
Facebook taking internships away from interns who've already moved to the city of choice, but not enough. And that's why we're in this sort of odd position where the sellers are just saying, well, there's no reason to stop selling.
YouTube said nothing for you now. No posting for you. I had my one shot to get millions of views and I blew it, I guess.
A great-looking lawn is easy to love. D&K Lawn Care can maintain your curb appeal with mowing, fertilizer, and weed control, landscaping, parking lot treatment, and much more. Contact D&K Lawn Care today, where help is always in sight.
Very slow. Very, very slow right now.
Huddle up to Royal Pacific Casino and play football Bane. After reward card players earn 5 points, they can swipe their card at the kiosk. Select the mystery prize, where you can win up to $40,000 in free play. Need more excitement?
Those of you joining me on Rumble, feel free to drop a like on the live and think about subscribing. What you up to, kid?
Not much, just waiting. We're gonna head out about noon.
All right. I got 4 people watching on Rumble. Thank you guys for being here. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button for me, think about subscribing. You know the routine. Hopefully you find me at least entertaining. Just covering The Spy, Apple, Microsoft, AMC, whatnots. Anything else you guys want to talk about, let me know. Also talking about news headlines and whatnots. And whatnots.
Which one do you want?
Both of them?
Fuck you. I only had half of one yesterday.
Fucking fight me.
I know where you sleep. I'll pee on you when you sleep.
I have a gun in my room.
Seriously, which one do you want? I'll eat the other one. I don't care. I'll eat either of them. I'll eat the both.
Both of them I want.
I'll eat them both.
I'll have this one here.
Which one?
This one.
No, I'll eat them both.
My nephew's a goofball. Alright guys, give me a minute. I'm going to grab something to eat here. Sorry guys, I missed the move, but we did drop the low. We got a new low on the day. $364.49. Now I did say earlier, I don't see it staying up here. Maybe I just need to walk away from the computer for a little bit and let this thing fall, huh? Maybe that's the ticket. Maybe that's the ticket. Still making new lows, 364.45. I would not be surprised to see this go to 360, 362, honestly. Damn it, really, man? You couldn't do this 5 minutes ago? All right, excuse me one more time. I have to go take care of my dog. I'm coming, hold on. I gotta go let my dog out. All right. Sorry, guys.
Ow!
You all right, kiddo? Okay. Waiting to see if the SPY breaks down under 360. 360. If it hits 363, I think it'll go lower than that. But I wouldn't be surprised if we saw 359 on the SPY today. I mean, let's see here. What was it at this morning? $367. Man, it is chilly where I'm at. Chilly.
I was just out there and it's not even.
Oh, you don't think it's cold? That's great.
Well, kind of cold. Ugh.
$364.20 is our low of day on the SPY. We're sitting at $364.22. So waiting to see if it breaks under or if it jumps up. Dow Jones is down 547 points, 1.83. As I said that, the SPY made a new low. S&P down 92 points, 2.48%. NASDAQ running south 381 points, 3.44%. Yes, you can work. Yep, that's fine. But you need to get some pants on and your socks. And then you need to find your shoes. There's 363.99 on the on the SPY. Definitely opportunities were had today to make money on put options. If you would have got today's expiration on puts, I mean, it'd be a little choppy. But Monday, Tuesday, those are looking good.
Dad,
What?
all I would have to do for winter is just put a bunch of clothes on. I'm stuck. Are you done streaming?
No, I'm still streaming, honey. Currently sitting at 364.04 on the SPY.
Dad,
Going over and checking Twitter. Seeing if there's anything happening.
Dad,
What, honey? Yeah. Please hurry up. New low of the day, $363.89. I would not be surprised to start seeing an accelerated sell-off here shortly if there is no recovery from this. I'm not saying it can't recover or it won't recover. I'm just saying I would not be surprised if we saw a accelerated sell-off if there is no recovery. Might trade sideways for a little bit and then jump one way or the other.
Yeah, so as we said, the judge has opened a trial until October 28th, and the idea is to give these two sides a chance to hammer it out. And this is a rare win for the Musk side in this court case. They were really pushing for that pause. His lawyers are arguing that Twitter is just not taking yes for an answer.
If you guys are just now joining me on Rumble or on YouTube, I do appreciate you being here. Thank you.
They asked for an open-ended out at the expense of
Please think about hitting those like buttons for me. Think about subscribing. 45 views today, 6 likes on YouTube.
On the debt financing side, I want to emphasize he's had signed commitment letters since April. There's been a lot of talk about whether that debt is going to come through. The banks
Dow Jones is down 550 points.
transaction lawyers and they tell us the terms.
Moving further to the south, it seems.
Banks wouldn't want to risk, risk their reputation by backing out. And Musk lawyers even shared in yesterday's court filing that, quote, counsel for the debt financing parties has advised that each of their clients is prepared to honor its obligations. Though I do want to highlight, Twitter claims a bank rep shared they've not received any borrowing letters from Musk. But listen,
I want to see Twitter quick.
more cash. The contract states that its specific performance bond he's responsible for up to $33.5 billion.
Twitter is down to $48.77.
Over the next few weeks, he's going to have to be courting investors, hoping his current ones don't back out, and maybe selling more to get spooked. So, Neil, if the two
Apple is new low is $140.43.
file date for November, I know it's been a
Microsoft new low of day right now is sitting at $234.93.
You know, it's interesting what you say too about Tesla stock. That is the currency of the deal, any deal right now, and it's sliding away. It's not denting its overall worth as the world's richest human being, but it has knocked him down about 30% in overall wealth. You can't ignore that, especially if that is the means by which you might be forced to pony up a lot of extra dough.
yeah, absolutely.
I think the SPY is going to break down here in a minute.
It's going to go forward. If he can't get more folks invested in this, he's going to have to sell off a lot more, even though he claims
Dow Jones down 555 points.
Yes, SpaceX. He has a few other options. He doesn't have to make
Seems to keep moving to the south.
All right, thank you very much, Kelly. Kate Chukowski, the former federal prosecutor.
What, kid?
I'm bored.
I'm sorry. You got to find your socks. Also, go find yourself a sweater.
at trial, or whether the parties can reach an agreement before then, which may include some reduction
My
in prices,
sweater's
making it
dirty.
more.
But there's no requirement.
You have more than one, honey.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
The price or the
Where?
I don't. I don't know.
litigation and Musk's request that the price be reduced, Twitter might have a solid.
Is this what you do all day?
favor him, especially since the judge is getting patient from what it looks like as well with Musk's side.
Sitting here chilling, watching the SPY, watching Microsoft, Apple, AMC, checking on Mulan every once in a while.
Why do all
If there's anything else you guys want to take a look at, feel free to let me know. Checking on Twitter every once in a while as well. The whole Elon Musk saga continues.
Stock cut by a third. Twitter, you could make an argument, is worth nowhere near the price he's offering because the dynamics have changed. Could that alone
New low on Microsoft is $234.86.
Have viable defenses to the deal going through the valuation of the company that was never really resolved in terms of his concerns that he raised, and then really these other issues with the stock price generally speaking. So sure, it's not a short outcome either way.
what is she saying? I don't care. She can't be seriously saying,
I will apologize for the lighting.
I don't care about the tech stuff. I don't care about one of your banks.
Hopefully the camera angle's good. Just sitting here chilling. Go back and check Twitter, see if there's any news going on over on the Twitter. The tweeters.
Is this what you do all day while we're gone?
Yes, this is what I do all day when you're gone. Yep.
And repeat the same stuff?
Yep, I repeat the same stuff a lot.
Why? Why?
Well, because I have to.
For if anyone just starts watching?
That's right.
Help me.
Help you with what?
I don't want to be stuck here.
Jeez, Greg.
Fuck you, Nathan.
I don't want to be stuck here all day.
You're just fine, kiddo.
Oh, I'm sure the girls, when they get off done with school, you might do some. Oh wait, no, you guys.
We're leaving right away.
Yeah, never mind. Yeah.
Okay, close the door for all
Oh,
the air.
hush, hush.
If I'm outside for a while, it gets very.
Well, yeah.
This is the only game in town. You don't want to let that.
Do you just ever have a random thought where you cut off your hands just to see what it feels like?
No.
I just had a random thought in my head.
That's weird. You are a weird child. You are your mother's child.
Abby also had that thought last night.
Yes, it's good.
What?
Nothing.
Weird is a bad thing. Being weird is
All right, sorry about that. I was talking with my nephew. 234.76 is the low of day on the SPY. Low of day, or I'm sorry, $363.89 is the low of the day on SPY. $234.76 is the low of the day on Microsoft. Dyslexia is a bitch.
oh wait.
Oh, wait, what? What are you doing now, kid?
I think mom
45 views, 6 likes.
I think mom put it
Odd.
in the washer. I have a jacket that I got a few years ago and it still fits me.
Where is it?
I think mom put it in the washer.
Okay. Just chill.
Just letting you know.
Just looking at Twitter, seeing if anything happens.
I think I'm gonna need this sweatshirt for tomorrow morning.
New low of the day, 363.75 on the SPY. New low of day is $234.68 on Microsoft.
About the blue basket.
What? What?
This is all my clothes.
That's fine. Go up, bring that up to your cousin, please. Stop being crazy.
Take it. All my clothes were in that.
and now they're not. I'm not mean.
I know.
I'm a sweetheart.
I know, but this is. Ooh,
Careful.
it's stuck to the table.
Yeah, you gotta be. I wonder why that happened. All right, go do something, honey. I gotta focus on this right now. As a matter of fact, where's your book from school? Your library book.
I brought it back.
You don't have a book in your bag anymore?
No.
All right, I want you to go find a book and read it. Turn your.
Oh, Jesus, Bree.
You okay? Hey, come here and grab your phone. Turn this off quick.
Couldn't see her.
360, 373 is the new low of the day on the spy. Just drop it right there, kid.
I didn't even see you breathing. The basket was in the way. Why is the PS4 out here?
She brought it up here. Waiting to see which way, if the SPY continues to break down or not. Sitting at 572 points negative on the Dow Jones, which is 1.92%. S&P continues to move south. That is at 95 points in the red, 2.54%. NASDAQ continuing to move further south, 388 points in the red, 3.51%.
Now reports of battery explosions and the like that firefighters are addressing as we speak. Let's go to Madison Albert in Naples, Florida, with the latest on that story. Madison.
Neil, those electric vehicles that sat in salt water for days are now combusting, creating a huge problem for local fire departments like the one behind me. Collier County.
All right, guys, just give me a few minutes here. I got to go switch laundry and whatnot, get ready for leaving this evening. I'll be back in just a few. All right, I'm back. I do apologize, guys. Seems like every time I step away, we drop lower on the SPY. Sitting at $363.44 for a low. New low on Microsoft is $234.56. Sitting at 586 points red in the Dow Jones. Can you let the dog in, please? Thank you. If you're just now joining me on Rumble or on YouTube, I do greatly appreciate you being here. Think about hitting that like and subscribe button.
Welcome back to Caputo Coast to Coast. Biden has pardoned federal convictions for simple pot possession. Critics saying the timing shows the president is trying to buy votes, but the White House says he is just making good on a campaign promise he made 2 years ago, nearly 5 weeks out from the midterm election. Biden signed the pardon for Air Force One for all federal offenses of simple marijuana possession, including those in the District of Columbia. It will benefit about 6,500 people convicted federally between 1992 and 2021, and thousands more in D.C., removing barriers for housing, employment, and education. But officials admit it's not going to get anyone out of jail. There are no offenders in federal
All right.
solely for marijuana possession right
Go check Twitter, see if anything happens.
governors to follow his lead. Pennsylvania's Tom Wolf did almost immediately, tweeting, "I just coordinated a one-time large-scale pardon effort for people with certain
Update this quick. Give me just 1 second, guys.
under Pennsylvania law. I don't have unilateral pardon authority, but I'm doing everything I can to right the wrongs of the failed war on drugs." The bigger impact may come from Biden's directive to the Attorney General and Health and Human Services to review how marijuana crimes are prosecuted. Biden says the policies disproportionately affected black and brown people.
The federal government currently classifies marijuana as a Schedule I substance, the same as heroin and LSD, and more serious than fentanyl. It makes no sense. So I'm asking the Secretary of Health and Human Services and the Attorney General to initiate a process to review how marijuana is scheduled under federal law, even as federal and local regulations of marijuana change.
Critics on the right sounding off. Senator Tom Cotton tweets, "In the midst of a crime wave and on the brink of a recession, Joe Biden's giving blanket pardons to drug offenders, many of whom pled down for more serious charges. This is a desperate attempt to distract from failed leadership." Now, there are reports that the president was skeptical about decriminalization and hesitant to direct any changes to the
There we
Justice
go.
Department, but evidently he got over it. Neil?
All right, thank you very much for that, Jackie Heiner. To California Congressman Rapano, what he makes of this. Republicans are calling it a distraction, Congressman. What do you say?
I don't think the people whose criminal records have been expunged think it was a distraction. It's thousands of Americans, many of them who simply possessed it. They didn't traffic in it. And those are the people who he's forgiving so they can get jobs. So they don't have to traffic.
I'm not giving 6,500 in that kind of position. 340 million Americans dealing with runaway inflation and everything else. I mean, it just seems like a wacky priority.
Look, the president does a lot of things. He can walk and chew gum at the same time. I mean, I've been calling that we need to be far tougher on Saudi
Wouldn't
Arabia.
you want to be walking more than, let's say, chewing gum? Right? I mean, wouldn't you want to be addressing the big
All right, there we go.
which is all this runaway
All right, updated Twitter. Got a total of 45 views in here. 6 likes. That is upsetting, actually. But it's all right. It's a start. It's a start.
I don't think it's a priority as much as it's just something that was on his plate as a kid. The priority is to get gas prices.
Do y'all think the SPY's going to go lower, or do you think it's going to come up?
I mean, after all we've done for that country, President Bush, the first Bush, defended them against Saddam Hussein, but made sure that they weren't invaded.
Mr. Banana Bread, you still there, my friend?
70% of their weapons. For them to do this to the American people is outrageous. And we should say if they don't reverse their decision, we're going to stop sending them weapons.
How about if we just stop accepting their oil, period, and rely on what we've got here, an ample abundance?
Well, as you know, Neil, production is up over 2020 and 2021. It hasn't come to 2019 levels yet. but it's projected by 2023 to be at record levels. If the oil companies want to invest more in refineries, they can continue to increase production. They're not willing to make that investment.
Why would they commit to a multi-year assignment like that when they know the administration isn't keen on renewables? And they've heard certainly from a number of key players, including the National Climate Advisor, Gina McCarthy, who said, let me be clear and let me answer very directly. President Biden remains absolutely committed to not moving forward with additional drilling on public
Okay, nothing going on Twitter.
running a multi-gazillion dollar company. I'm looking at that and saying, all right, well, that would be a multi-billion dollar waste.
Well, first of all, you're right that it's multi-years out.
AMC low of day was $6.42.
Now, second, these oil companies are selling about 20% of unused permits, and they had not made the investment, not just in the Biden administration. They weren't making those investments in 2020 or 2021.
Well, they buy those permits and leases under the idea that, most they hope will pan out, but right now about a quarter of them are being challenged by environmental groups in court, so they're kind of in limbo. I'm not saying they're saints here, but they're hardly the villains here either, right?
Well, my interest is how do
So as we're sitting here in a recession, nobody can tell me otherwise. As we're sitting here and OPEC announces that they're going to cut oil production by 2 million barrels a day. As we're sitting here at record high inflation, Biden announced today, I guess. I don't know how true it is, whether or not it was today, I'm not sure. But Biden is considering to get rid of all offshore drilling altogether. So, there's that.
TNK Lawn Care is now hiring experienced landscapers. Earn the era's best pay, work with top-notch equipment, and enjoy great weather. The grass is greener at TNK Lawn Care. Call 605-201-0911 or apply online today. All right, everybody. Glad you all figured out how to change the backdrop. Let's get started, though. Yeah, you still got that beach backdrop. Let's get rid of that. Let's start talking sales numbers. Talking stuff, I guess. It kind of looks like your hair and that palm tree are going in the same direction. Do you have sunblock on? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm definitely in my dingy basement office and not at all in Sun Florida.
With just $99 out, Wheel City gets you into a nicer, newer vehicle today. Wheel City is your go-to easy credit low-down payment car store. Buy today with just $99 out. At Wheel City, every vehicle is backed by a warranty and our like it or return it guarantee. All credit history is excellent. View inventory and apply online. It's fast and easy. Just $99 out, and you're driving a nicer, newer vehicle. Prepare for some credit. Wheel City on 21st Street, Sioux Falls, or Wheel City.
All right. What book you reading, honey?
The Secret Garden.
Okay.
There's many hard words in it.
Okay. Do you want a different one?
Well, I have no other books.
Okay, so then you're going to have to do your best with that. Says I have 2 people now on YouTube. If that's the case, thank you for being here. Please think about subscribing, hitting that like button. Just sitting here chilling, waiting to see if the SPY breaks lower. Watching AMC. Anything else you guys want to see? Microsoft, Apple. Mulan. What happened here was just bullshit with Mulan. That was trash. The CEO needs to fucking do better. I play PUBG, man. Play PUBG and GTA on Xbox. How about you? Wild weekend. It's finally Friday. I'm free again.
It doesn't match with the markets unless you say, "Hey, we're losing our shirt and it's all over." No, but it's a great story.
Dow Jones is down 586 points. S&P is down 97 points, 2.62%. NASDAQ is almost 400 points in the red, which is 3.57%.
We're down about 580 points right now at the corner of Wall and Broad, and higher energy prices certainly are happening. But again, this is not a reason to celebrate that it's finally Friday, unless you're finally sick of it and want it to be Friday, so you could just end this merciless equity week. Kelly O'Grady.
Dota 2? Haven't heard of that one. What's that on? Xbox console, or is it on console or computer? Or on... Oh, there we go. 363.19. New low of the fucking day on the damn SPY. That got me a little happy. Sorry. I also... Computer, okay. I also play... I have an Oculus. So... Get on there, play some poker, play some... oh, fuck, what is it? Gun Raiders, play some... Population 1. Beat Saber. Monkey Tag, yep. My kid likes Monkey Tag. Oculus is fun. I enjoy that thing.
But you never play it.
I haven't played it in a while because I've been so busy with everything else.
And plus it's not charged.
Treasury yields higher today. Keep an eye on those as we head into next week's CPI report. Remember, we're already in a situation where the 2-year is higher than the 10, and the 10 rather. You get that and of course, another piece driving the market.
Beat Saber is very fun. It's a damn good workout, is what it is. I wish that I can't figure out how to mod the shit. I've followed YouTube and all that other stuff, and I can't figure out how to mod it. I wish I could get some Michael Jackson and some good tunes on there, some 90s fucking hip hop, a whole bunch of shit. But I can't seem to figure out how to do it at all.
That's a nice, young, upbeat way to look at it. So we'll see what happens. Kelly, thank you very, very much. Well, Lauren Simonetti has been looking at that employment report as well. Lauren, the one thing that's kind of revealing and people have not talked that much about is the quiet quitting thing. It's still going on. Maybe not as pronounced as it was, but it's still...
Hold on, guys. I just got to send a text message quick.
I want this movie.
All right.
Then Nick Timros of Wall Street Journal came out and dropped the line. The Wall Street Journal is saying the Fed is on track for another big interest rate hike next month.
Yeah, man. I'll moonwalk all damn day.
Interest rate sensitive sectors seem to be slowing hiring most, like Meta, like GE.
I'll do it all. I don't give a damn.
CEOs say they're considering workforce reductions during the next 6 months, and that is why, especially workers are very nervous. They fear they might be the first ones to go here. Many of them have admitted to being so-called quiet quitters or disengaged.
What, kiddo?
What does SAHIP spell?
Obviously, that's a headache for managers.
Bring it here. Let me see.
bosses just work. What do you do remotely? I just boss's job is to make us.
Says I have 2 viewers on YouTube. Thank you for being here. If you're new, please think about subscribing. Hit that like button for me. Just watching the SPY continue to fall lower. Right now, it came off its low of 363.19, sitting at 363.28. I do expect it to go lower, so that's just what we're doing. Chilling. If you got anything you want to take a look at, feel free to let me know. AMC is just not, I'm not looking at it today. It's just sad. Just, yeah, I'll show you. It's fucking sad. Yeah, yeah. Just keeps making new lows. Fucking sad.
I'm just wondering, this expectation that it's more than a paycheck, and I get that, but this, it just seems we're in an upside down world. I mean, no one owes you anything.
It is a bizarre world, but what's interesting is what led to all, a Seinfeld reference for everybody. What led to all of it was how this protracted period of time where the rules weren't clear. We were going back to the office, we're going back to. I remember the first time I heard that people were going back to the office in September. My response was, "Of what year?" Okay?
You're right, yeah.
Because so all of that created.
All right, what's going on here?
Okay, on the one hand, and on the other hand, we had a very, very tight, and still to some degree, a white-collar tight labor market. So bosses for over a year were petrified. If we lay down too many restrictions on these people, they'll leave. Forget about quiet quitting; they'll real quit. So I think so much of that is baked into the new culture and the new work. I agree completely with what Warren said, which is we need to better define what your requirements are in the office, what your requirements are out of the office, and then stick to it. But one of the big problems are in some companies you have senior management who still aren't in. They're still remote. And I don't mean top management's, the C-suite. I mean like the next level down that, bought a house in Nevada because it was tax-free and still haven't come back. And it makes it really hard when the boss isn't there to convince the younger folks in the organization to show up.
363.13, new low.
You're the reason why we have all this bellyache.
I just think the world has changed. I know, so my mom used to tell me when I was starting in the workforce that they pay you a salary for a reason because it's meant to be a job and you're meant to work. Right. However, but if you're making people come into the office 5 days a week, aren't you also excluding the best talent available for your company and for that position? The world has changed. There's no union with
Give me a second. I have to make a fast phone call. Yeah, I've been watching the GTA leaks, man. Nuts. I hope the gameplay is as good as they're showing. I really do. There's going to be a female character as one of the lead characters that you can be. Okay, what's going on here on Rumble? I'll refresh that. Anything going on Twitter?
Answered the young officer. You didn't tell me. The choker was already here among your servants. This was the first Mary I heard. Dad,
What, honey?
what does CHOLERA spell?
Bring it here. I can't focus.
It's what?
Colorado.
Eddie Neal, the best way to discuss the perils of the restaurant industry is actually to talk to someone that's been doing it for many years. We got Nelson Braff with us, the owner of the famed Pumpkin Fish Club in Midtown.
If you guys are just now joining me, welcome. After like a decade, they're finally, yeah. It usually takes them a while after each one. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for being here. Think about hitting that subscribe button for me, that like button for me. It just helps me out. Sitting here chilling. I am going to have to end my live here in about 15 minutes so I can get ready to leave town. $48 views. $48 views, 6 likes. 1 concurrent. That's you. Oh, it says 7 now? I see 6. What the hell are you doing in my backyard? Okay.
surely someone would come to look for her, but no one came. How funny is it? She said to herself, and then
I wonder if we're gonna fall off hard. Ouch.
Outside her door.
Dow Jones did move back to the north a little bit. It's only 555 points in the red. So there's that.
A few minutes later, the man opened the door to Mary's room. One was
How about one celebrity?
my
I want to mention his name. Just, I want you to tell me when he's here so I don't show up. Anthony Scaramucci.
She had seen one before with her father. He and his family were.
Pretty slow day, banana bread.
Here is
All right, guys, I'm going to end my live stream there. I know I said 15 minutes, but I'm going to make sure I get all my shit done in time so I can get the hell out of town. Mr. Banana Bread, I do appreciate you as always. Thank you for all that you have done today. You are a badass, and I do appreciate you.
the officer cried, I am Mary Ellen.
Let's see.
The little girl said,
Check Twitter quick.
I fell asleep when everyone had
And the numbers speak for themselves. We'll get into that in a second. But a huge reaction to what Gianna encountered when he went to the nation's
and
capital
I
to get to the
felt
bottom of it and try to get
I
some
just
answers
awoke.
from both sides.
Why can't
All right, yeah, nothing going on.
parents come? One of the young men
All right, brother, I will see you later.
very sad.
Thank you guys all for being here today. I will be back Monday morning.
There is nobody left.
Until next time, I hope you guys, I do hope you guys wake up green Monday. I really do.
How many
Always have a plan.